Want to try out Manus AI and boost your productivity? Here's how to download the Manus AI app in seconds. First, open Google Play Store on your device. Here you can see the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Manus AI. You can see the list of apps here. Look for the official app by Manus Technologies. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on it to begin the installation. Wait for it to download and install on your phone. Once it's installed, open the app and you are ready to create an account or explore as a guest. If you can't find it, make sure it's available in your country or region, or visit their official website for direct links. Have you heard of Manus AI before today? Or is this your first time checking it out? Drop a comment below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.